Hello student, now the new topic, naming of acid and acid halide. Acid means the functional group of acid is COOH. COOH. It means this is a carboxylic acid. COOH. COOH. It means this is a formula. Now you know this is a functional group of carboxylic acid. Yeah, or COOH group. COOH group. This is called carboxylic group. Clear? So now first we discuss about the carboxylic group. There is a prefix and suffix. Prefix is carboxy and suffix is oic acid. OIC acid. Okay. Now acid halide is a terminal functional group. So first we discuss about the carboxylic acid, then after acid halide. Okay. Now you know the formula. There is a HCOOH. There is a one carbon. One carbon means this is methane. Yeah. Now suppose you have the formula HC double bond OOH. Okay. This is also right. HCOOH. Here is the carbon of valency. The carbon valency is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now there is a one carbon. So one carbon means methane. Methane, E replaced by the suffix oic acid. And the name of this compound is what? Methanoic acid. Now suppose you have second formula CS3COOH, and the common name of this formula is formic acid. The common name of this formula, just note down the formic acid, the common name, and the common name of this formula you know very well. This is called acetic acid. So now we can write also CS3COOH. Yeah, clear. Now there is a two carbon. The consider for this 1, 2 because this is a functional group. The functional group carbon is also count. So now there is a two carbon. Two carbon means ethane. Ethane, E replaced by oic acid. It means what? This is what? Ethanoic acid. Yeah, clear? The same as other formula. There is a different type of formula. Yeah. So now there is a double bond. So you know very well. 1, 2, 3. It means prop. 2 in 1 oic acid. The same for this formula. 2-cyclohexyl ethanoic acid, because there is a functional group of priority for this, and this is a substituent. The same for this. Okay, clear? Now this is very important topic. This is very important example when cyclic group attached with COOH, directly attached with COOH. In the last lecture there is a CHO group, it means carbonaldehyde, but there is a COOH, it means this is cyclopentane, and there is a carboxylic acid. Just write the carboxylic acid. So cyclopentane carboxylic acid. Dekho. Now the next example, there is the COOH not directly attached with this ring. There is a CS2 group. Then after COOH, it means the priority 1, 2, the 2-cyclopentyl, and there is a 2 carbon means ethane, and E replaced by oic acid, it means ethanoic acid. The same for this, and this is also important example. This cyclic structure directly attached with COOH, it means cyclopropane carboxylic acid. And the same for this cyclohexene, because there is a position of double bond is 1 carbon, cyclohexene carboxylic acid. This is also cyclobutene, and there is a ene. Why? अब देखो, listen very carefully. AEIOU concept you know very well. AEIOU. So there is a ene, and there is next is a carbon. So E not replaced by C na, because there is no C. So E does not replace with carbon. So just write full name of ene. Yeah, full name. So there is a cyclobutene carboxylic acid. Yeah, clear? Same as this 2-cyclobute 2-enyl 1 2 yeah, 2-enyl, just write 2-enyl ethanoic acid. Clear? Same for this. There's a 2-carboxylic acid, ethane 1, 2 dioic acid. So there's a priority 1, 2, 3, 4 but 2 in 1, 4 dioic acid. Now this is also important example because the priority same as CHO group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but this COOH does not count. So now the consider for 1, 2, 3 because 3-carboxylic acid is a very important functional group. So 1, 2, 3. So there the simple meaning propane 1, 2 tricarboxylic acid. Same for this. Yeah, clear? Same for CHO group. Now same as acid halide. Acid halide is a terminal functional group of acid because of there is a OH group and there is a only Cl group. The same priority. So now there is a 1 carbon, it means methane. The suffix is oil halide. Yani methane E replaced by OYL. There is a chlorine, it means chloride. Halide means chloride, bromide, iodide, fluoride. Now suppose there is a chlorine, it means methane, and E replaced by oil, halide. Halide means chlorine is there, so it means chloride. Same as bromide, same as iodide. Yeah, clear? Same for this, same for this. Yeah, COOCl. So देखो propanoyl chloride. Same for C double bond O Br. There's structure same. Now suppose ring directly attached with COOCl. The name is carbonyl chloride. Here is a carboxylic acid in CHO carbaldehyde, but C double bond OCl is directly attached with ring. It means there is a cyclohexane carbonyl chloride. Clear? Clear all of you? Same for this. There is a carbonyl chloride, but this C double bond OCl does not directly attach with this ring. So now there is a 2. The priority for this 1, 2 dash 3 dash the 6 nitro cyclohexane 3-enyl ethanoyl chloride. The same for this. Yeah, clear? Now same for again this formula. There is a COOCl group. Yeah. The same for this also. 1, 2, 3. There is a propane 1, 2, 3 tricarbonyl chloride. Okay. Now my next topic is naming of acid, amide and ester. Okay. So now there is only the lecture only for acid and the terminal functional group of acid halide. Okay, thank you.